going to have the ones place, and remember I said you could just write it as numbers if you would like to help you kind of with how long it would take. Thousands place and the 10,000s place and the 100,000s. Okay. And then the millions is next. I'm going to go ahead and put millions.
Don't this
Whoa, I don't know why I have an S there.
Yeah.
It's a very good idea also to write out that million with 1, a comma, 3 zeros. Every segment of the number is divided into, it's called a period actually, and it has 3 places. Then you have another comma, then you have 3 zeros. So this is a period, and this is a period. I did not learn that those were called periods until last year. I probably learned it as a kid, but I definitely forgot. All right, so my number in the problem again is 10,600. So go ahead and write that number down. I'm going to start with 1 in the 10,000s place, a 0 in the thousands place, a 6 in the hundreds place, and a 0 and a 0. Okay. Now the question says the town library has 10 times as many books. And last week we learned that when you're multiplying by 10, you move 1 place over in the place value chart for every digit because it is a greater number. You are bundling it and making it a little larger. Okay. So in that case,
Miss Schultz.
yes.
I have to go get a Band-Aid.
Okay, go get a Band-Aid. So I'm going to multiply this times 10, and I'm going to move it here. And I'm going to multiply this one times 10. I'm going to move it here. So now I have 1, 0, 6, 0, 0, 0. That means that the library, the town library, has 106,000 books. At the bottom of your paper, it says read, draw, write. So I have already drawn out the place value chart, but I'm going to write it out here. It says 1/10,000. 10,000.
A rhythm or a beat. It can have a rhyme. It can have repetition, like twinkle, twinkle, little star. It can make a picture in your mind. It can tell a story, like Trevor said. And it appeals to the 5 senses. So a lot of times poetry will have things that you can picture in your mind, that you can see and hear. All right. Going. As we read the poem, think about what your favorite part is, right? And then you're going to write down this sentence when we're finished. So I'm going to read you this poem. This was at the back of Postcards. So we've actually read it before, but I want you to just listen, and I'm going to read it, and let's see if you hear anything that rhymes or any kind of rhythm. So a rhythm would be like kind of like a beat, okay? This is called Foreign Land by Robert Louis Stevenson. He's a very famous poet. Up into the cherry tree, who should climb but little me? I held the trunk with both my hands and looked abroad on foreign lands. I saw the next door garden covered in lie, a smooth flower before my eyes,
It's a baby.
and many pleasant places more that I had never seen before. If I could find a higher tree, farther and farther I should see, to where the grown-up river slips
Musa,
through the sea among
teacher का कैमरा बड़ा करो.
So did you hear any rhyming in there? Trevor, what did you hear?
I heard climb up into the cherry tree. Cherry tree. You should be climbing the little me.
Very
Tree and me.
excellent. So do you see how tree and me rhyme? Does anybody else see something that rhymes? Reagan South?
I saw hands and lands, and I saw another one, but now I forgot it.
Okay, that's okay. So here's hands and lands. She's absolutely right. Does anybody else see something that rhymes? I'll give you a hint. Look at the end of the line. That's where you're always going to find the rhyme.
I found the one I was I found the one I was.
Okay, go ahead, Reagan.
More and before.
Very good. More before. Zoe, you have one too?
I have one.
Go ahead, Zoe.
So, I wasn't actually raising my hand.
Oh, okay.
I have one.
Miss Bouquet, I have one.
Trevor.
Okay, go ahead, Trevor.
Tree and sea.
Tree and sea. Very good. How about here?
I have one.
Go ahead.
I and lie.
Good. Lie, I, and then there's one more.
More before.
More before we did say. There's one at the very end. Slip and very good. Okay. So now what you're going to do is you are going to take your paper or your whiteboard board, and you're going to write my favorite part of the poem. It, my favorite, and I can put it back up there. Part of, I'm going to put it back up there. So you're writing all of this down in your journal or on your whiteboard, and then you're going to finish the sentence. So let me show you how to spell it.
I have my paper.
Okay, here it is. My favorite part of the poem is.
something else. So go ahead and take a look and see if you can go to math, because maybe Mr.
Okay.
Glazier doesn't have a lot, or maybe it's in some other
I
class.
did mine. I chose,
Andrea?
the first word, the first
Yes, Andrea?
sentence in the poem.
Go back to the book.
But I need like one more word left.
Andrea? You have to stop the
I
crying.
didn't lie.